Meet countless homeowners like you, struggling to modernize their homes without overshooting budgets or timelines, especially with today's labor and material shortages. Imagine investing in a dream renovation, only to become a costly nightmare. The stress alone can take all the joy out of your home. That's where the renovation team comes in, specializing in turning dated properties into modern marvels. Our recent project in Removation, Auckland, was completed on time, on budget, and beyond expectations.
So here's the property from the outside. The house needs to be painted from the outside as well. Okay, starting from the entry door, we're going to change this one to the same door that we did in Golf Road, 4 glasses from Bunnies. It's a nice door. We're going to have a digital lock on it.
Yes.
Of course, digital lock. Okay, looking inside here, this balustrade all will be removed. We'll put a new steel one. Right, in the hallway, we're going to have LED strips in the ceiling. Looking at the living room, we're going to remove this door from here, and we're going to install a new different door, like a barn door with big rollers, and Rob will give us the spec of what door to put here as a sliding. The fireplace, we're going to close it off. All the windows need to be painted. Rob will remove all of those ones, and he will put it back after the job is finished. New carpet here. Moving to the kitchen and dining room. This wall will be removed. That needs to be removed here. So we need to remove this one from this room only. And that'll be an open kitchen dining room space. Fridge is going to be there, and it's going to be another wall. Here, this will be blocked off. Kitchen is going to be in similar location. Look at the drawing. So it'll be pantry, turn, cooking, sink. So it'll be an L shape. Have a look at the drawing and see. Glass balustrades, range hood, lights in the ceiling.
Yeah, new lights.
Allow for 4 lights in the kitchen side and 6 lights on this side here. 6 lights. So total 10 lights in the kitchen dining room. All the floor is going to be the laminate floor. So the place needs to be leveled. The toilet, it will stay in the same location. It'll be tile floor here, waterproof, and back to wall toilet. In the bathroom, we're going to have a full tile bathroom. We're going to have a new shower here. It's going to be 1.2 by 900 shower here, fully tiled, vanity here, and freestanding bath here. And we have access to the back side of the house. Easy access to the back. Tile floor, tile wall, 2 LED downlights in the ceiling, and 1 spot on top of the vanity, and LED mirror, of course. Yeah, LED mirror here. Remove all of those things. Heated tower rail here,
Yeah.
Rob? Yeah, heated tower rail here. We'll have 1 tower, but very long, like say 9 bar.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah.
From a total exterior repaint to a stunning open-plan kitchen and everything in between, we transformed Robert's family home into a spacious, stylish haven. New flooring, a full-height pendant-lit stairwell, a luxurious tiled bathroom, a full-sized walk-in wardrobe, and strategic lighting upgrades significantly increased the home's value and appeal. Our seamless process, managed by an in-house team of skilled professionals, guarantees minimal delays and unmatched quality. Hear it from Robert, a registered architect.
Hello, James and team. Just a quick video to say thank you very much. We've just moved into the house today. The wife loves it, the son loves it. You guys did a great job.
Perfection is the only option when your home doubles as your business card. Ready to transform your home? Contact James Gorin from the renovation team today, and let's discuss how we can bring your renovation dreams to life.